If you're a corporate professional and not doing this 5 daily routines, that's why you might be struggling in your career. Harsh truth. It's not about the politics, it's never about the bad luck. It's always about what you do daily. It may not be your boss as well. It's what you do daily that is reflected in your life. Hi, I'm Rakesh Rana, and I've helped thousands of mid-career professionals reach to the leadership and executive roles by breaking out their mid-level traps. And if you're somebody who is actually not growing in your career, then this is for you. If your juniors are moving faster than you, then watch this very carefully. The first thing which we all need to set is the morning routine before your even work starts owning you. If you wake up and check your email first, you already lost the world. Honestly speaking, the people who actually check the email, they always start reacting. Whereas the leaders in their world, they plan, they design their day. So they spend the first 30 to 60 minutes before the work, write down the top three outcomes that you want for the day. You can actually take care of your health by walking 10 minutes without your phone. Review some long term goal and align your three tasks towards that. This builds the real clarity, and without clarity, you just stay busy in your meetings and day, but with clarity, you will rise to the next level. Second, practice saying no every day. If you say yes to everything, you are just signaling that you can do everything and you are signaling the low authority. The leaders who grow are always protecting their time. The daily, you should actually say no at least once respectfully. For example, I am focused on X priority this time. Can we actually move to the next week? No apology, no long explanation, just guarding your time, protecting it so that people start valuing your time. Number three, ask how much value that you are adding in one person. As a professional, your value is compounding, your network is compounding. So ask yourself, are you the giver first or are you the taker? 10 minutes daily, think about a thoughtful message and share an insight to somebody who needs it. Appreciate somebody's work in your team so that they can actually respect and understand you. No asking, just value. After 2 years, you will see that you become more respectable leader in your work. And number four, doing a deep work. It's a 90 minutes of slot. That means the 90 minutes of your day should be dedicated to the one goal that you want to achieve in the next 90 days. The leaders always create such blocks, energy blocks, the power blocks, what you call it. They block their 60, 90 minutes daily. No phone, no notification, no emails, no meetings, nothing. They use this time to solve a real problem. They use this time to think. They use this time to improve their processes, build something strategic, and this is where the things started changing. And you, as a person, as a corporate leader, you need to start blocking your time and protecting your time daily. Number five is a night routine. That is your daily audit. If your day ends with the scrolling the social media, then the growth stops. Before sleeping, ask yourself, what are my three wins today? It may be small, it may be bigger. What is that one mistake I have learned from? What is that tomorrow that I can do as a main move? Your reflection will compound. Most people don't improve because they don't review their entire day, even though they are probably doing not such important thing in a day. So you don't need a new degree or new certification. You don't need luck. What you need though is a disciplined routine. Start with one tomorrow and check in the comment and tell me which routine have you started from today onwards so that you can guard your time, you can start your morning well, or you can end your night well. Just make sure that you click on the subscribe and ensure that you are following me so that you can keep getting such beautiful insights in your mailbox. I look forward to see you by sharing more insight in my next video.